Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to format vertical axis value in Excel. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Microsoft Excel software. Then open your spreadsheet. Now you can see here are my spreadsheet. Now I format vertical axis value in Excel. At first, you have to insert a chart. Go to insert menu, then you can see here a chart option. Now insert a chart. Now I format vertical axis value. Now you can see here are axis value. Select this value and right click on this value. Now you can see here are format axis. Just press it. Now you can see here are axis option. Now you can change bounds, maximum, minimum, or units, major, minor, anything. Now you can see I format vertical axis value in Microsoft Excel very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.